Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. Yesterday we were studying about the lesson the adjectives, okay? And in adjectives I told you adjectives are which words? Adjectives are those words which tells more about noun, correct? Some examples we took yesterday, 10 examples of adjectives. We underlined 10 examples of adjectives in yesterday's period, and today we are going to read a picture. We are going to see a picture. It is a picture of mall. And after seeing the picture of mall, what we are going to do? We are going to write down 10 sentences by adding adjectives in those sentences. Now, which words are given? Which words are given? Here it is told that, here it is, look at the picture and write 10 sentences using adjectives of quality from, okay? By adding what it is told that write 10 sentences using adjectives of quality from big, clean, empty, fat, full, happy, large, small, thin and young. What we have to do? We have to write down these words, these adjectives in what? These adjectives in sentences. Big, clean, empty, fat, full, happy, large, small, thin and young. Okay. Now these all words are what? These all words are adjectives, and we are going to write down these adjectives in the sentences, and we are going to see this picture and then make sentences. Okay. Now first one, it is a picture of mall, alright, and then what we can write down? First sentence, there is a large mall or there is a big mall on the street. There is a large mall on the street, that is also correct sentence. Okay. So first sentence which we are going to write down is, there is a large mall on the street. Okay. This is first sentence. Second sentence which I have made from this picture is, the mall is full of many things. Okay, what is second sentence? The mall is full of many things. Now large, have we written large word? Yes, so I am underlining it. Okay. Now second sentence is, the mall is full of many things. The mall is full of many things. Full, can you see word full anywhere? Yes. So we have written second sentence. Now third sentence which we are going to write down is, it is very big and clean mall. You can see it is clean or not? Yes, by seeing picture only you can see it is too big and clean mall. So third sentence which I am going to write down is, it is very big and clean mall. Fourth one, there are some ladies in the mall. Can you see some ladies are there in the mall? Are they fat? No, they are thin. So I can write down one sentence that, there are thin woman, or there is one thin woman. You can write down about one woman also. There is a thin woman buying some eatables, correct, or buying some things. So what I can write down? There is a thin woman. There is a thin woman. Thin woman buying some things. Next one, there is a fat man. He is carrying what? He is having he has trolley in his hand, so he is taking the trolley from one place to another to take things in the trolley. So what we can write down here is a fat man is carrying things in the trolley, right? A fat man is carrying things in the trolley. So I am writing fifth sentence. A fat man is carrying things in the trolley. Okay, next one. There is a small girl. She is very happy and she is carrying one bottle in her hand. So you can write down, a small girl is carrying bottle happily. A small girl is carrying bottle happily. Then small, more fat, then thin, big, clean. So these all words are there. What? Big? Yes, we have written in one sentence. Clean? Yes, we have written. Fat? Yes, we have written in one sentence. Thin also we have written in one sentence. Small we have written in one sentence. Happy also we have written in the sixth sentence. Now two words are left. Empty and young. So what sentence we can write down? We can write down here is a young child is standing on the counter. Correct? With his mother or something you can write down. Okay. A young child is standing near the counter. Counter. So young word, have we written young word? Yes, we have written young word also in the sentence. Now only one word is left, that is empty. So what sentence we can write down of empty? There are some empty compartments in the mall. Have you understood seven sentences? Right? Now last sentence which I am going to write down about empty is, I am writing here, okay, after 7, 8. There are some empty compartments in the mall. Okay, so word empty is also there in the sentence. I have written word empty also in the sentence. Can you see? In this way we have completed how many sentences? I have written 8 sentences, and if you want to add more 2 sentences, here it is told that write down 10 sentences. But I have written 2 words in one sentence, small and happy. You can write down it separate also. Okay, in this way we have completed our lesson, the adjective. Next week we are going to start with new lesson. The name of our lesson is the adjective degree of comparison. Which lesson we are going to study next week? The adjective degree of comparison. Okay, please complete this all sentences in your grammar book. If you don't have grammar book, you can write down, you can pause video, or I will send you photo of this page tomorrow and write down this all sentences in your English notebook. Okay, if you have made English grammar notebook तयार केली असेल तर इंग्लिश ग्रामर नोटबुक मध्ये लिहा, नाहीतर इंग्लिश नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून काढा हे 8 sentences. Okay, this much is enough I think so for today. Next week we will learn new chapter of English grammar, that is what? The adjective degree of comparison. Okay, thank you.